Axcel International Academy offers British degrees through excellent teaching to prospective students in the Middle East and North Africa. Axcel has a 2+1 system. Students study 2 years in Turkey and the third at a British university. Studying in the UK is an incredibly high investment for international students, which is why Axcel slashes annual UK tuition fees to less than half for the same degree. Axcel International Academy, in the vibrant, historic and beautiful city of Istanbul. Axcel offers British degrees in just 3 years, equivalent to the same degree earned in the UK. During the first 2 years, students follow a curriculum designed by Pearson, the largest awarding body of British qualifications. In their third year, students can choose to study at our partner university in the UK, or they complete their studies with us in Istanbul. Axcel is currently partnered with the University of Derby, and we are actively building new partnerships to benefit our students. A broad curriculum and challenging study topics, where critical thinking is encouraged and theoretical learning is put into practical contexts. This is what matters in today's job market. We have undergraduate students enrolled across 3 departments: business, computing, and media. Next year, our first cohort will be finishing their bachelor's degrees at the University of Derby.